With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, our question is an electron and a proton are moving on straight parallel paths with same velocity. They enter a semi-infinite region of a uniform magnetic field perpendicular to the velocity. Which of the following statements are true? So we have given that electron and proton are moving on a straight parallel paths with the same velocity. Okay, so it is given that they are entering in magnetic field and moving in circular path and then getting out of the magnetic field, same as electron also, electron and proton both. Okay, so if we see the option first, they will never come out of the magnetic field. This will get wrong, and they will come out traveling along parallel paths. Yes, they are coming out as parallelly. Okay, they are coming out as parallel in the parallel paths. So this arrow will be like this. So they are coming in parallel paths. This option is right. Now if we talk about part C, they will come out at same time. So if we find the time for proton and electron, so time for proton is given by Tp will be given by distance upon speed. So here distance is this arc. So arc upon speed. Okay. So angle arc will be equals to angle into radius. Divided by speed. So angle will be 2 theta. For this, let's say for this here will be center. So due to this, angle will be 2 theta. Okay. So radius for proton is rp divided by speed is v. Okay. So on solving, 2 theta upon v and into rp, which is mp into v upon eb. So from here Tp will be equals to 2 theta mp upon eb. Okay. Now if we find the time for electron, it will be equals to 2n minus 2 theta divided by v into re. Okay, so sorry, this is 2 pi minus 2 theta divided by v into me v eb. So on solving, we will get 2 pi minus 2 theta me upon eb. So from this we can say that Tp is not equals to Te. Okay, so from this they will come out at same time. No, this option gets wrong. They will come out at different time. Yes, this option will get correct.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.